Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about the first theorem of circles chapter of class 9th, that is equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center. The statement states that equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center. Subtend means the angle formed by a line. In this, the angle subtended by this chord and the angle subtended by this chord are equal. So let's find the proof for it. We are given with that these two chords are equal. So chords are equal, that is AB is equals to CD. We should prove that these angles are equal. So angle AOB is equals to angle COD, and we need to do some construction here. We should join OA, OB, OC and OD. Join OA, OB, OC and OD. So the proof is, when we compare these two triangles, we'll get that these two angles are equal. So in triangle AOB and triangle COD, OA is equals to OC and OB is equals to OD. These two are equal because these are the radii of same circle, and we have given that AB is equals to CD because the chords are equal. So AB is equals to CD, that this is given. Triangle AOB is congruent to triangle DOC by SSS congruent rule. If two triangles are equal, their corresponding parts are also equal. That is, these two angles are equal. Angle AOB is equals to angle COD by CPCT. Hence, proved. So let's we see this practically by taking a circle. In this we have equal chords of a circle subtended by equal angles. So let's we cut this and see that these two angles are equal or no. Here is the one triangle. Let's see. Yes, these two angles are equal. These two angles are overlapped each other perfectly. So we can say that these two angles are equal. So we have another converse theorem for this, that is, in this main theorem we learned that if these chords are equal, the angles will be equal. In converse theorem, the theorem is, if angles are equal, the chords will be equal. So let's see what is that. The converse theorem of this is, if angle subtended by the chords are equal, then the chords are equal. So here we have given that these angles are equal. So we'll write that AOB is equals to COD. Here also we need to do this same construction. Join OA, OB, OC and OD to prove these chords should be equal. If angles are equal, chords should be equal. So AB is equals to CD. Proof is, in triangle AOB and triangle COD, here OA is equals to OC is equal. And here angles are equal now. That is the given. For this, the reason will be radii of same circle. Next, angle AOB is equals to angle COD. This is given. And the another one is OB is equals to OD. This is also same, the radii of same circle. Now we got the three components of a circle. So these two triangles are equal. Triangle AOB is congruent to triangle DOC by SAS rule. When two triangles are equal, their corresponding parts are also equal. These two chords will be equal. AB is equals to CD by CPCT. Now let's see that in these two triangles, the angles were equal. The angles were equal. Now let's see that these sides are also equal or not. Yes, these two sides are also equal. So we proved that the main and converse theorem of the first circle theorem. Hope you all understood by my explanation. Thank you.